Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, April 13th, 2025, we're diving deep into Ethereum, analyzing both the latest news and the technical charts to help you make informed trading decisions. First, let's take a look at some of the recent headlines from Google Search. We see news about an Ethereum OG address making a massive $17 million sale, potentially indicating bearish sentiment from long-term holders. We're also seeing that Trump family is now reportedly selling Ethereum at a loss, and some articles about Ethereum ETFs shedding asset as ETH/BTC price plummets, suggesting some negative pressure from market events and perhaps the new 104% tariffs on China. Near $2.6 billion in Bitcoin and Ethereum options are expiring today, which could trigger volatile swings. Now let's move on to the charts. We'll start with the one-day chart to get a broader perspective on ETHUSD. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a downtrend forming after a period of consolidation. The recent sell-off has been substantial, indicating strong bearish momentum. We need to zoom in to get a clearer picture. Now let's examine the hourly chart to refine our analysis. We can see more defined support and resistance levels here. There's a clear resistance around the $1,660 level. If ETH can break through this, we might see some bullish momentum in the short term. However, given the overall bearish sentiment from the news, a sustained breakout is unlikely without a major catalyst. Let's zoom into the 15-minute chart for even shorter-term insights. On this time frame, we can see very choppy price action, reflecting the market's indecision. The price seems to be struggling to break above $1,660 again. Also, the recent capitulation event at $1,535.06 from April 6th is an important area to keep in mind. Short term, if it falls below $1,550, a sell-off may be likely. Long term, if it can't regain a position above $1,660, it will most likely continue on its downwards trajectory. Let's recap the key levels to watch. Resistance is around $1,660. Key support level is around $1,550. A break below $1,550 on the 15-minute chart could signal further downside, while a sustained move above $1,660 on the hourly chart might suggest a short-term bullish reversal, though it is unlikely. Keep an eye out for news regarding Trump's tariffs and major upgrades, as these could significantly impact ETH's price. Remember, this analysis is based on the information available today, April 13th, 2025, and market conditions can change rapidly. Do your own research, manage your risk, and trade responsibly. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.